Hello guys, I'm here to continue our video on Excel. But in case you are interested to watch the very first video that I made on Excel, you can check the link in the description below. And please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you can click the bell button in case you want to be notified once I release new videos. Thank you very much. Without further ado, let us jump into today's video. So the first thing that I will talk about today is how to navigate on the Excel sheet. So let's say, okay, right now I am on right align, this text right there, right here. And then in case I want to go to the right of the cell, I will click the right arrow key on my keyboard by going to the right. You can see I'm going to the left. I'm going to the right of the cell. So in case I want to go back to the left of the cell, I'm going to click the left arrow key on my keyboard, and it's going to take us back to where we are coming from. And then in case I want to go down of the cell, I will click the down arrow key on my keyboard, and then this will take us down of the cell, and then that is it. And in case I want to go up, I'm going to click the up arrow key on my keyboard, and it's going to take us up of the cell. That is that about that. So the next thing that I would like to talk about is that if you have numerical values are generally right aligned on the Excel sheet. So you will see that all these are rightly aligned. All these numerical values that I select, they are all rightly aligned. Meanwhile, this one right here, this is my name, so this is the first three letter of Gboye. So all these are left aligned because they are text, they are not numerical values. That is the difference. You can see. So, and the reason why numerical values are rightly aligned is because of the decimal places. The people that made this very wonderful Excel application do this so that the decimal places will be they will be properly aligned, and that is what we are seeing right here. So that is that. And let's quickly go to the next point that I want to make right now. To evaluate or calculate in Excel sheet. In Excel, we have to follow certain mathematical rules in order to make our calculations, and then there are acronyms that is called order of operations in Excel. We have three basic acronyms. The first one is called PEMDAS. This is being used in United States of America, and the PEMDAS simply means parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtractions. And then we have another one that is called BODMAS. BODMAS is just bracket, order, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And then we have another one that is called BIDMAS. BIDMAS, the I in the BIDMAS will just be replaced by O in the BODMAS, and then the I means indices. Both the BODMAS and the BIDMAS is being used in United Kingdom, whereas PEMDAS is being used in United States. And then we have new acronym right now that is called GEMS. GEMS is being used in United Kingdom. GEMS means groupings, exponents. M in GEMS means multiplications or divisions, and then the S means subtraction or addition. This has not been popular right now, and that is that. So now I would like to briefly talk about function, because after this video, the next video we are going to make will be all about function, how to calculate, how to use certain function, and then we are going to be moving from these simple videos to more complicated videos, so that we can be doing certain projects on Excel. So now I would like to briefly talk about Excel function. What is function in Excel? Like it can just be defined as a predefined formula that performs a specific calculations by using values a user input, which is us, by using values that a user will input as an as an argument. So that is, and then functions has a specific structure, like there are standards. There are standards that functions has to be structured. So the first part is equal sign. The next part is the function exactly. What do we want to do? We want to add these 5 numerical values together, and then the name of the function is sum. The third part is the parenthesis. We have to open parenthesis, which some people will call bracket, and then we will input our argument, which is the third part of the function. So the third part. So, and then we will just do this. This is cell referencing actually, and then we are going to talk about that in the next video. So that is what I do, and then we will close it by another parenthesis, and then you will enter. You will smash your enter button on your keyboard, and then this has been added. So now, so that is that about that. So and then let me say that the number of arguments will be determined by the function we are using at the time. There are some functions that we have to input many arguments. So that is that about that. So and so what we have now, this very equal sign is the first part, and then the first part of the function, and then this second sum is the second part of the function, and then this right here is the argument, which is the third part. Thank you for today's video. I really appreciate you. The third video is coming, and then we'll be talking about how to use functions such as sum, minimum, maximum, average, average if, count if, and a lot of others. And then we are still going to be talking about how to make pivot tables. There are more complicated things we are going to use Excel for. So please, I will really implore you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then give my videos like button, and then kindly smash that bell button so that you will be notified once I release new videos. Thank you very, very much, and then you guys should take care. Bye.